sign up, it gives you the options of a one-time option of purchasing additional product kits at like a super discount. And you don't get this option again. So I kind of wish I went for the bigger one, because I've already ordered a lot of stuff. Product kit contains all of this stuff. So we have a liquid matte lipstick. We have a gel eyeshadow, which is a pretty color. Eyebrow pencil, lip liner, eyeliner, another type of eyeliner, mascara, eyebrow and eyelash serum. There is a blush. So this is a blush. It doesn't look that blushy. We'll have to try it because it's very like neutral.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Okay. Okay. Izzy's been having fun putting on the makeup. Very sassy lip color, sis. Calendula face cream. So this is a moisturizer. It has calendula oil, obviously, some of the ingredients. Good stuff. Okay. Eye cream. Age Reversist eye cream. Tea tree oil serum. These are all different things from different skincare lines and different makeup lines that they have. But anyway, so that's what's in the product kit.
I'm going to try the blush on.
Well, you need a brush for the blush.
Oh.
You need a brush, a blush. A blush brush.
Yeah. Can you go get me one?
Can I go get you one?
For the blush.
Maybe we'll try on the blush later. So that's the unboxing. If you're interested in something like that, I'll post my link below if you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful. Every person who is a beauty influencer has an entrepreneurial code. Person signing up uses that code. So I'll put my code below. If you decide to sign up for the $19.99 kit, use that code and then you can enjoy 50% discounts. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Anyways, happy shopping. This makeup line looks really fun because it is a lot safer, a lot cleaner, a lot better for you than a lot of other products sold in the US. So thanks for watching. See you later. We'll do some more reviews.